tiny creatures navigate worlds unseen, revealing nature's most astonishing secrets. Beneath a dewdrop surface lies a universe of complex life forms waiting to be discovered. These miniature ecosystems teem with activity, often overlooked by the human eye. We typically see nature on a grand scale, but the smallest details hold profound truths. Understanding these hidden realms offers a new perspective on survival and adaptation. It's like peering into an alien planet, right here on Earth, if you only knew where to look. This exploration delves into the intricate lives of macro subjects, uncovering their hidden behaviors. Imagine a world where a single blade of grass is a towering forest for its inhabitants. A spider's silk, seemingly simple, is a marvel of bioengineering, stronger than steel by weight. Its tensile strength allows it to create intricate traps and secure its precious eggs. How does this minuscule predator sense vibrations across its expansive web with such precision? Tiny hairs on its legs act as sophisticated sensors, detecting the slightest tremor. This sensitivity allows it to differentiate between trapped prey and environmental disturbances. But the true genius lies in its web's design, a geometric masterpiece of survival. Each strand is placed with calculated intent, maximizing coverage and minimizing energy use. And then a sudden shift occurs, revealing an unexpected predatory strategy. A praying mantis, a master of disguise, waits with astonishing patience for its moment. Its camouflage is so perfect, it blends seamlessly with its floral surroundings. This stillness is not laziness. It's a highly evolved predatory tactic to ambush unsuspecting prey. Its forelimbs, armed with sharp spines, strike with lightning speed, faster than the eye can follow. Scientists have observed these strikes occurring in mere milliseconds. A blur of motion happens when a predator peaceful becomes existence in this miniature battlefield.
A hummingbird, a jewel of the air, hovers with incredible agility, its wings a blur. It feeds on nectar, seemingly a peaceful existence, but its tongue is a marvel of hydrodynamics.
It laps up liquid at an astonishing rate, its tongue flicking in and out rapidly. This rapid movement creates tiny vortices, drawing nectar into its beak efficiently. However, this vibrant creature faces constant threats from smaller, yet formidable hunters. A dragonfly, with its ancient lineage and incredible eyesight, patrols the skies. Its compound eyes, made of thousands of individual lenses, provide a panoramic view. This allows it to track multiple prey simultaneously with exceptional accuracy. What happens when these two aerial masters cross paths in a territorial dispute? The intricate dance of life and death unfolds in fractions of a second. Every interaction, no matter how small, has a ripple effect through the ecosystem. A single ant colony can move tons of soil over time, shaping its environment profoundly. Their complex social structure allows for efficient task division and collective problem solving. One ant's discovery of food quickly mobilizes the entire colony to exploit the resource. This synchronized effort is a testament to their remarkable communication systems. But their strength isn't just in numbers, it's in their specialized roles within the nest. When facing a larger threat, their coordinated defense can be surprisingly formidable. Consider the humble fungus gnat, whose larvae can create luminous traps in caves. These glowing threads attract small flying insects, luring them to their sticky doom. The bioluminescence is a chemical reaction, a cold light produced by specialized cells. This living light show is a crucial adaptation for survival in perpetual darkness. It's a stark reminder that beauty and danger often coexist in the natural world. Even the tiniest pollen grain carries the potential for new life, a testament to nature's persistence. Its journey from flower to stigma is fraught with peril, relying on wind or pollinators. The intricate structures of pollen grains are as diverse as the plants they represent. These microscopic details are crucial for plant reproduction and biodiversity. The unseen processes of pollination are fundamental to our planet's food supply. Nature's hidden truths are revealed in these extraordinary close-up encounters. The resilience and ingenuity displayed by these small organisms are truly inspiring. They demonstrate complex behaviors and strategies we are only beginning to understand. This microscopic world offers profound lessons about adaptation and survival. Exploring these hidden realities challenges our perceptions of the natural world. It highlights the delicate balance of ecosystems and our interconnectedness. The complexity within the miniature is as vast as the universe itself. These tiny dramas play out constantly, shaping life on Earth in significant ways. Uncovering these secrets enriches our appreciation for all living things. If you found this deep dive into nature's hidden details fascinating, subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments which miniature marvel captured your imagination most. Press like if you're amazed by the intricate beauty of the small world around us. If you found this deep dive into nature's hidden details fascinating, subscribe for more.